jump, jump, jump.
1, 2, 3, go! Hi kids, this weather been hot and cold and hot and cold and hot and cold and hot and cold. Spring is crazy. Luckily, us kids can adapt. That means roll with the changes. Check out how we like to play with the hot and cold weather. Go! There you going?
Shake it, Milo, shake it. Shake it some more.
Gross! There you going?
Was it gone? Are you so excited?
Yeah!
What are we getting ready to do?
What is it do?
Ethan, what are we getting ready to do?
We're gonna do balloons! This is gonna be so awesome. It's so awesome. It's a puppet water balloons.
Water balloons. Where's Milo and Evan?
At school. At school.
They're gonna miss out, aren't they?
So we're just gonna do a video without them.
Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah. Let's do this. Let's go. 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 Balloons. Balloons. I love balloons so much.
Are you guys ready for this?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open.
Whoa.
You got mommy.
Shoot at mommy.
Mom, we have some snow. Still have some snow.
Yeah, let me see. Oh man.
Want
Come on.
sneeze?
Yeah, show me a
What?
sneeze.
But I'm gonna get some more. Ew, gross.
Did you find more snow, Milo?
Yeah, there's more snow over here.
You got wood chips in that one. No, don't throw that at your brother. There's wood chips in it. Whoa, you got yourself! Go ahead.
Mom can sneeze.
Show us your sneeze. Milo, why does yours always run out so quick?
I know. I'm up there.
What's up with that?
Go.
A flip, Ollie. Woo! Do a front flip. Nice.
Mom, are they filled with Sprite?
No.
Sounds like Sprite.
What? Oh! Try again. Oh! That was awesome! Do it again.
The more pie. These ones are good.
Yeah, try again.
No, they'll follow me.
Oh, snap.
Now one more. Oh, this one. I need a.
You can do it.
Okay.
You totally missed. It's okay. I gotcha. Let me open this up. Oh, so close.
So close.
Ollie's like, I don't think so. That balloon's too big for me.
Oh, come on.
Nice!
Kids, I was kidding. It wasn't the moment of truth, but that was a big one.
Yeah, Mom's gonna try and get us a bigger one, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Mom.
Nice!
Mom.
What?
I want some more sushi.
I know. Santa should have brought us more, huh? Get set, go! Oh, try again, Ollie.
0.
Okay, let's see it.
The last one. I don't think I can pop this.
I think you can.
One try.
Let's see it. Oh! That was awesome!
Moment of truth. Now order is proof. Jump, jump.
Try it again.
Oh, wait. Guys, kids, this is the balloon. It's so big. And go to Ethan and Evan.
Evan and Ethan, the fun kids.
Evan and Ethan, the fun kids.
And subscribe right now. Do it.
Right now. Do
You
it.
ready?
Are you ready?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, Ethan. All right, let's see it.
You got Auntie Sarah all wet.
That was
Awesome!
yeah, it was.
You guys having fun?
Yeah. Come on.
All right, Ethan. You ready?
Yeah. I'm gonna go on that side.
All right. No! Ethan, are you ready for the monster? Yes! Just stop. Ethan, are you? Ethan, are you ready?
Yes, monster.
Actually,
These are gonna make great bloopers.
dude, that was the last one.